Hi everyone, and welcome to Paper Pumpkin Week here on Creative Chelsea. Today I'm sharing with you my 9th card idea using the April 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Lakeside Retreat. This beautiful kit creates 9 cards, 3 in these 3 different designs, as well as included coordinating envelopes. If you're interested in watching me unbox this kit and seeing what's inside, or see any of my other alternatives, you can click on the playlist up here in the top right corner. Today I am using up some of the scraps that I have left over from the kit, as well as including some other coordinating products that Stampin' Up! Uses to make this beautiful birthday card. So for this card, you are going to need from the kit this large piece of blue and white striped card base. So it is 4 inches by 5.5 inches. And then from your own stash, you are going to need a card base. I'm using Misty Moonlight. It's 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then I also have a piece of basic white cardstock. It is 3 1/8 inch, probably by 4 1/8 as well, which is just a little larger than this cute little ice cream shop image that I got from the Waterside Retreat Designer Series paper pack, which is a coordinating pack of 12 by 12 pattern paper that Stampin' Up! Offers. And this one sheet has cute little scenes on it, and this is where I've got this ice cream shop scene. And then we also are going to use a piece of petal pink cardstock. It's been cut to 1 1/4 inch circle, and we're going to stamp our greeting on that, and then have 20 inches of basic white twine. So to start this card, it's pretty quick and easy card. We're going to add our blue and white stripe piece to the center with some liquid glue. It should have even border on the left and right side, and then match along the top and bottom. Then we're going to take our basic white piece and distress that edge just a little bit. This kind of gives us that relaxed feeling that we get when we go visit the lake, especially cute little lakeside towns where you can find little ice cream shops like this. So this goes right in the center of our basic white piece. There'll be a small border all the way around, about 1/16 of an inch, just to kind of help it pop against the blue and white stripes. Then we're going to pop it up with some dimensionals. Oh, where did that go? Oh, right there. And that just goes right in the center. I love that bold blue and white stripe in the background and how it offsets the cute little ice cream shop. Let's stamp our greeting. I'm going to use Happy Birthday since it's ice cream, and I'm going to use pecan pie as my ink and just stamp it right in the center of that circle. You could use any shape here. If you have a label punch or something that you like, that would work. I am going to distress the edges with my fingernail. And then we're going to put some tear and tape on the back, and that's going to hold our faux bow in place. Let's see. So happy birthday. Put the ends together on that 20 inches, and we're going to do a double faux bow. So with one strand, you're going to create a large loop and maybe a smaller loop on the other side. And then with your second strand, create a large loop and then maybe a smaller loop. And then add dimensionals to the back. And we'll pop it on. This card comes together really quickly. If you have any embellishments or something that you want to add, you definitely can do that too. And I'm just going to place it at a slight angle, kind of over in the left side, just to kind of balance out the pink from the ice cream sign. And your card is all done. Quick and simple. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this card today. If you're interested in getting your own Paper Pumpkin subscription, you can use the link below to sign up with me as your demonstrator. If you are interested in seeing written instructions or close-up images on how I created this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.